What's up guys, so it's time to unbox a new device from the company Xiaomi, the beautiful and massive Mi Pad 4 Plus. As for the packaging appearance, it looks simple with a classic Mi logo at the top corner. There is also a big number 4, written on the front with a plus branding. At the back, there's a small sticker that represents the key specifications of the phone. As you can see, it is mentioned that it has a Snapdragon 660 chipset. It also sports a monstrous 10.1-inch display, and it's really too big. Surprisingly, it has a huge 8620 mAh battery capacity, which is just amazing. The tablet here is a black color variant. It has 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. This is a higher variant, and there's also a base variant of the phone that has 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. Let's open this packaging and have a first look on the device. Opening up the box, first there is a tablet itself, looking huge, with its 10.1-inch massive screen and a 16:10 aspect ratio. Let's take the device out. So the tablet is feeling a little heavier, as it weighs around 485 grams. Let's put this at the side. So after the device, there are some basic stuffs. Let's check out this leaflet. Here is a SIM ejector tool. Other than that, the leaflet also contains a bunch of documentations, like user manual and warranty. As this is a Chinese unit, so it has some other stuffs exclusively available for users of China. Now, let's move forward to some other accessories. So, here is a USB Type-C cable, which is wrapped in a layer of plastic. Here is a small adapter that supports 5V and 2A fast charging. This is a quick charger, and we hope it can charge a massive 8620 mAh battery capacity quickly. So, there is nothing else here. Let's quickly have a closer look at the device itself. Here is the new Mi Pad 4 Plus. The device has been launched a week ago, and it packs pretty impressive specifications. Let's quickly boot up the device. So until it is booting up, let's quickly know its specifications. The Mi Pad 4 Plus has a 10.1-inch display, with a full HD resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixels. It has an aspect ratio of 16:10. As you can see, the phone is still running on MIUI 9, out of the box, even it is about 3 months after the launch of MIUI 10. The tablet has an excellent viewing angle, thanks to a large display. It also comes with a plastic screen protector, to prevent minor scratches. The tablet is way bigger than the standard Mi Pad 4, and it should be good for those who love to edit videos. Let's put this device side by side, against the standard Mi Pad 4. Just check out the difference here. The 10.1-inch screen of the Mi Pad 4 Plus is much bigger than an 8-inch display of standard Mi Pad 4. If you have noticed, the Mi Pad 4 doesn't comes with a fingerprint sensor. But, the Mi Pad 4 Plus has a fingerprint sensor on the front, which is quite responsive and fast. So yes, Xiaomi has provided some minor changes between these two devices. The Mi Pad 4 Plus provides a snappy interface, thanks to a Snapdragon 660 chipset. Also, the Mi Pad 4 Plus supports Bluetooth 5.0 and a single nano SIM card slot for LTE connectivity. The overall appearance of both these two devices are very similar to 2018 iPads. The overall appearance of both these devices is attractive and simple. The Mi Pad 4 Plus comes with a metallic back, with a dual-tone color design. These two devices have different dimensions, and the standard Mi Pad 4 is more compact than the Mi Pad 4 Plus. Both the tablets are slim, and they have a similar thickness of 7.9mm. Overall, the Mi Pad 4 Plus looks great, particularly in this black color variant. Both these devices have an antenna lines at the top, similar to those of iPad 2018. By the way, the antennas are built of plastic material. The back of the device looks classic, with a metal back and a 13-megapixel rear camera. If you are looking for a tablet with a huge battery and a large display, Mi Pad 4 Plus should be a great choice. We have to say that the company Xiaomi has did a great job by reducing the bezels around the display. What do you think so about this tablet? Will you gonna buy it? Do let us know in comments. So as we have discussed, the Mi Pad 4 Plus is equipped with MIUI 9, based on Android 8.1, Oreo. The overall interface of the phone is snappy, that provides a smooth experience. The Mi Pad 4 Plus is almost impossible to use with one hand. If you have noticed, the phone has a 5-megapixel front camera that carries support for face recognition and some other features. In addition, it has a front-placed fingerprint sensor, which is quite responsive and fast. Just touch it, and the device will instantly get unlocked. The tablet has a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, along with an infrared sensor. At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C port, with speakers, volume rockers, and the power button is placed at the right side of the device. It comes in two models, such as 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. To remind you again, the Mi Pad 4 Plus is powered by a Snapdragon 660 chipset, and it has a massive 8620 mAh battery. You can check its pricing details in description. Anyways, if you have any questions, do let us know in comments section. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel for further updates. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.